Here at ACRO Automation Systems, we provide custom manufacturing solutions to customers worldwide.
Two operators load piece parts into their designated location in the tooling. The tooling incorporates mechanical poka-yokes to prevent misload or incorrect part load. The indicator lights become solid green, signifying that all parts have been loaded correctly for each fixture driven by part presence sensors. A hand scanner is then utilized to scan each assembly. The cell verifies that all clamps are in position and then sweeps the fixture to the weld position on the back side of the cell. The robots are then initiated into their pre-programmed weld sequence. The robots begin welding. The welding is completed in a predetermined sequence, minimizing weld distortion and maintaining dimensional accuracy and consistency. Side B then sweeps back to the operator to the unload load area. The operators will remove the completed welded assemblies and they will load the new parts into the tooling. Welding is then completed at the same time the opposite tooling is unloaded and reloaded. The lower seat assembly is pre-assembled by an operator. This pre-assembly fixture aligns parts to create lower seat assemblies ready for flaring and riveting. The operator removes the parts from the pre-assembly fixture and places them into the tooling on the rivet flare cell. The tooling has mechanical poka-yoke details to prevent incorrect parts from being loaded. The dual air-over-oil cylinders are utilized to flare the rear tube into the side rails. This is completed simultaneously for the right and left-hand sides. The flare dimensions are verified using incorporated LVDTs. Dual orbital rivets are used to peen the first series of rivets to a preset height dimension. If the part passes verification, clamps are released and the operator unloads the completed subassembly.
ACRO Automation Systems prides itself in providing cost-effective solutions to our customers for over 80 years. Uptime, on time, all the time.